Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your hardware and a clean workspace. Connect the ELRS module or radio via USB, then put the device into DFU or bootloader mode so the configurator can communicate. Once done, open ELRS Configurator and confirm the correct port and board type. This prevents flashing the wrong firmware. Make sure to export a backup of current settings and the module flash before any changes so you can revert if needed. Next, pick the firmware release that matches your receiver and flight goals, stable for reliability or nightly for features. Configure the packet rate, RF power, and region settings, then set a binding phrase or bind to code and enable telemetry if you rely on sensors. After verifying settings, start the flash process and watch the progress bar. Once flashing completes, the configurator verifies integrity. If successful, reboot the module and reopen to confirm parameters persisted. To finish, bind your receiver to verify radio link and validate RSSI, telemetry, and control response on the bench before flight. Save the final profile and note the firmware version so you can replicate or troubleshoot later. If something fails, no boot, flashing errors, or missing telemetry, re-enter DFU mode, swap the USB cable and port, or try a different computer. If problems persist, restore your earlier backup and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.